What's up, my Israelis? It's your boy here, Israel 3345. I got the 140 here. We wiring it up for the supermoto build. I got my Tusk wiring harness kit in. Just wanted to show y'all how to get that all routed up on the bike and everything. All you do is just follow the regular wiring harness that's already there, and that's exactly what I did. You see, I just started from the front. I determined what on the wiring harness, which was the front. There's the front. So I just followed the regular wiring harness all the way through the bike. And that's what I did here. See all of this right here? I just followed the regular wiring harness, hooked it into the hooks. Hooked it into the hooks and everything. And just followed it all the way back. All the way back to the regular stuff. And there it is sticking out right there. I got everything already routed to where it needs to be. I got the battery connector hooked up on the battery already. All I gotta do is plug it up to right there, which I'm not ready to do that yet. I gotta get all my controls hooked up. I get my controls hooked up here. I know I bought the wrong one. I'm so fucking stupid. But yeah, I bought the wrong one. It actually should have just the off and on and the start button. But yeah, I got another one too with the blinkers. Let me see. Yeah, I've already showed y'all that. But here it is here. That's the one I'm gonna replace the stock one with on the left side of the bike with the blinkers. And got the lights and everything. And the horn. And that one got the on and off. Actually got lights too, but I'm not gonna be using those lights. I could actually wire something else in on that if I wanted to, like a power outlet or something. But it got the button on the bottom for the start button. That's basically all I needed. I really didn't want this one. I wanted the one like my DRZ. I don't know what I was thinking about when I ordered this one. I was really looking for the return blinker situation. That's all I was, really wanting off of this. One, you press it in and return. I think I messed up. I should have just ordered the Tusk one that I ordered for the DRZ. But it's all right. I'll make it work. It works. I can fit it on there and make it work. We just got to figure out all the wiring for it. I think I got most of it. Just got to figure out all the wiring for it. I think I got most of it already figured out. I just got to play around with it just to see what the fuck is going on, because it's not plug and play like I really wanted it to be, but oh well. It could be. Wait a minute, it could be. Oh yeah. Oh, wait a minute, I think it is plug and play. Fuck me. Well, all right, ain't got to do no wiring, it's plug and play. Well, that's a good thing. Well, I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna restart the video when I figure out my wiring and everything. And excuse the mess over there in the corner. It's my only spot I got to work with. In the process of moving. So, yeah. That's the 140. We turned it into an Enduro, Dual Sport, Supermoto, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna have Supermoto wheels on this. I already got some saved up. I just gotta drop the money for them. Yeah. There's some wheels called Sun Rims. I never heard of them, but one of my buddies had. I'm gonna go ahead and get those Supermoto wheels. I guess they're for minis, klx's, 85s, stuff like that. Mini Supermoto, if you wanna turn your mini into a Supermoto. I guess those wheels you would use. They are regular 17-inch rims, surprisingly. That's what kind of surprised me. They are actually 17s, like Warp 9s, but the front is a 2.75, and Warp 9 I don't think sell 2.75. So I guess those wheels is gonna be the ticket. And get those and then powder coat them, whatever color I may go with. I'm not sure. I might just go with black. Might just wind up painting them myself black. So yeah. But yeah, that's what we got going today. We wiring up the wiring harness for the mini build. a Supermoto mini build, klx140L 2017. Alright, I'm gonna end this video right here, but I'm gonna restart it when I figure out my wiring situation. Alright.